Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I DIY my wedding invitations at home all by myself. Well, maybe I didn't do it all by myself since I purchased the file. I didn't create it, but I did do everything all by myself other than create the file. All right, so I'm going to leave the link to this. I got it from Etsy, the file. So I will definitely leave that link down in the description below. But this is what my invitation looked like. Well, when it's done, this is what it looked like. So with the file, you get, the actual invitation. So this is the invitation. I don't want y'all to see all my information, but this is the invitation. Show you this one, small one. So this is the invitation, right? And they have plenty you can choose from. She has like 300 different designs and styles you can choose from. So this is the one I chose. So this is what it looks like, and you can get 2 per page. Right, so that's the invitation. There's also an information sheet, and on here you can basically put whatever you want. So I just put, you know, some stuff about my ceremony, my cocktail and reception hour, and then I put you know, for questions and travel and all that kind of stuff, you can scan this QR code and go to my website where I have a lot of information on there. And that comes to a page as well. And then there is the RSVP card. So what I really liked about this particular file is she had the menu options at the bottom. So for my reception, I'm not doing a buffet style meal. It's going to be the caterer and her team are going to serve the food. So I need to know everybody's meal choices. That's another reason why I'm doing a seating chart at my wedding. So it'll be easier for them to do what they do. And I'm putting everybody's name on here because you know why? I know people are going to send this back without names on it. So that's going to defeat the purpose of me asking for a meal choice if somebody don't put their name on it. So I'm taking the time to put everybody's name on here, which is, well, it's not really a hassle. I just have to make sure when I put the address labels on that I have the right address for the names that I put on the RSVP card. And since I don't have address labels right now, because I bought the wrong ones, and I was just going to print my labels, it was late when I was going to print my labels off, and I realized I had the wrong one, so I have to wait till Walmart open at 6 so I can go get some. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So that's that, and that comes 4 to a sheet, right? So that's what the invitation file looks like. That's what it consists of, rather. And like I said, I will leave the link to that shop down in the description below. So, the paper and stuff that I use. So, for the actual invitation, so silver is my accent color, and I really wanted to do silver paper, right? So, I purchased 2 different silver cardstocks, and neither one of them worked. They was too dark. They were too dark. I couldn't find a lighter one. So I ended up getting this white. So this is white glitter cardstock. And actually I got this one from Walmart. Because it was I'm doing my stuff last minute. I should have already done it. So I actually ended up getting this from Walmart. But in this pack it's 10 sheets to a pack. And this one's like six something. But they also have a pack with 40 in it for like $21. So this is what I printed the actual invitation on, this white glitter cardstock. And then I use this this fine paper right here. I really wanted a different type of paper, but this is the one I got. So it's like a parchment paper. You know, it's ideal for stationery proposals, presentations, and stuff like that. Invitations and so forth. So this is what I use to print the information card and the reply card. They sell this at Walmart as well. I can't remember where I got this from. I probably did get that from Walmart too. And then for the actual the little card that or the sleeve that I put it all in, I have this clear vellum. So I got this one from Michaels. They were on sale last week. I'm not sure if when the sale end, if it has ended or not. But this was on sale. It was buy one get one 50% off, I think. So yeah, and I think it's like $6.99 a pack, maybe. Don't quote me on that, but I think it is. And it's 40 sheets in here. All right. So I also have the ribbon that you see wrapped around here. So I got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. They have marked down a lot of their his and hers stuff because they get new stuff, and it's nice too. The new colors they get in. But this is marked down to $1.24. So I got a few of these, and that's what I use right here along with my wax seal. So I do have a video on how I made these wax seals. So make sure you check that out if you're interested in stuff like that. So I have envelopes. So I got these envelopes from Hobby Lobby as well. They are marking down a lot of their stuff. They have a lot of paper craft stuff marked down as well. So I got these envelopes. The original was $4.99 and these was $4.49. I can't remember how much they were on clearance for. I don't know my other ones that with the sticker on it, the price tag. But this red one, this is what I'm using for my guests to send their RSVP card back, and this is the envelope that I'm gonna put the invitation in. All right, and what else I have over here? That's it. All right. Oh, and I have this little address stamp. So I got this from Staples. It was like $30. So I have me and my fiance's name and then our address on there. So I stamped that on our cards, our reply envelopes for our guests to send their RSVP cards back in. So I stamped that on there. I have to wait till I get the address labels, because now since I'm using black cards, I was gonna use they have this kind of like silver shimmery one, but they didn't have that many in stock, so I just went ahead and got the black. So I'm definitely gonna have to print address labels for that, so I'm not gonna be able to use the stamp. So anyway, so let's put one together, shall we? I have a lot to put together anyway. All right, so the first thing I did was, so this is my little sleeve that I'm putting everything in, and I will do a video and show you guys how I actually did this, because this wasn't part of the invitation file. So I just did. I seen someone had this, something similar to this, and I'm like, oh, I want to make that. So I figured out how to size it and everything, so I will do a video on how I did that. So I'm gonna take one of these. I have my actual invitation. I have my my information card, and this is gonna be, let's see, I need 2 of these for her and her son, right? So I have 2 of these. I already have their name on it. So the invitation is gonna be on the front. That's gonna be in the front. So on the back, I'm just gonna put the envelope for the RSVP card. I'm gonna put both of the RSVP cards right here, and then I'm gonna put the information sheet. So this is what it looks like. Invitation on the front, information card, and all that stuff is in the back. So then I'm going to just open this up, slide it in there like that, and close it up. Simple. Very, very simple. Then I'm gonna take a piece of this ribbon. So I don't know how long this ribbon is. I didn't measure it. The first one I did, I just wrapped it around here and I measured it like that. I didn't measure it with a ruler or anything. So that's about where I want it to be. So I'm gonna take one of my wax seals. So I already have the double-sided adhesive on the back of this already. So I'm just gonna pull it off, pull the backing off of it. And this is an L, so I gotta make sure it's turned the right way. My new last name will start with an L, and I'm just going to place it on one side of that ribbon like that. And I'm gonna fold that one over and place it down like that. And there you have it. And I will just put this inside my envelope. And I have this little, whatever you call it. I don't know. That thing that you put water in to seal your envelopes. There's no paper towel. I'm not sure what it's called, but I have that. Alright. So now that's sealed. And I have these little stupid sticky notes. These little sticky tabs. So I can know who this one go to when I get my labels. So that's it. Ooh, that's it. That's how I did my invitations. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, y'all have a great one.